Hey everybody, today in this video we're going to be making pigs in a blanket with Pillsbury Crescents. And let's get started. What you want to do is you want to peel here where it's to start here. And then what you'll see is it'll say press with a spoon, or you can just use your finger and just hit it like that. And it'll open up. Okay, we have this dough here. We're just gonna spread it out. And the cool thing is it's already been marked. So all I have to do is just tear pieces off of it. There's one piece. And number 3. We're going to put this extra piece on the side. Okay. We have 3 slices of American cheese right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to place it onto the dough. Okay, you put the hot dog on there and you just roll it up. And that's one. And then you just roll it up. That's number 2. And the last one. You just roll it up tightly. And that's it. We have the 3 here, and now we're going to preheat the air fryer. We're going to set it to 300 degrees and for 10 minutes. And start. We're gonna let it preheat and we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer's been preheated and we're gonna put in the pigs in the blanket with cheese. Okay. Alright, we'll be back in 10 minutes. Okay, the pigs in the blanket are ready, and let's take them out. Oh yeah, looking great. There you go. This is what we have today, pigs in the blanket, made with Pillsbury Crescents. Give it a try, it's really easy to make, and give this video a like. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you would like to see more content on food and travel, product reviews, recipes, and more, subscribe to support our channel. Thanks!